and we are here to share this delicioso baked milkfish. So, we're gonna have minced garlic. I know. Bear with me, people. This is so tedious. We can do it. And a quick tip, don't you know that we can use toothpaste to remove the smell of this garlic and onion on our hands? Try it, guys. It really works. Now it's time for onions. Chop it, mince it, just nicely. Alright, tomato coming up. Chop it in a small cutie cubes. Now, salted egg on the go. Same size, just nicely small cubes, ladies and gentlemen. But of course, don't forget the powerful ginger. Yes, it is great at halting growth of bacteria, including coronavirus. Here we go. Spread some butter on our milkfish, opened and cut in a butterfly style. Well, that's how they call it here. Add a pinch of salt and black pepper. And one by one, scatter the minced ingredients. The powerful ginger. Mr. Garlic. Mrs. Onion. Salted egg. And Mr. Tomato. Drizzle a bit of olive oil. And we are good to go into the oven. Cover it with foil. Bake it at 200 degrees Celsius in 30 minutes. Drum roll! Yummy, healthy baked milkfish! I'll have a bite now. This is Dros, and thank you for watching once again. Don't forget to subscribe.